Hi guys, welcome to today's class, still on physics and motion. Today we have a practical motion problem here. And, I will also implore you that if you didn't watch the formula I gave, my solution to formula in motion that I gave some time before now, try to watch it so that you understand how this formula are used in solving this problem. Now let's dive into this. It says here that a train has an initial velocity of 44 meter per second and acceleration of 4 meter per second square. Its velocity after 10 seconds is what? Now, there is a particular trick to solving problems in physics. That trick is when you see a particular question, we try to know and get the parameters that are given. The parameters that are given, you know the exact formula to employ. So now, from given, we have the initial velocity u is 44 meter per second. We also have that acceleration a is 4 meter per second square. The time t is 10 seconds and the final velocity v is not given. With this, is in fact it's almost 80% solved by getting what is given and now knowing what you're looking for. Now from this, now you get the formula. We use the formula v equals to u plus 80. This formula has solved everything. It's just for you to begin to substitute values as given from the question. Now v here equals to initial velocity u is 44 meter per second plus acceleration due to gravity is 4 multiplied by the time taken 10 rather. Now this is almost 80 to 90% solved. Therefore, you have that v equals to 44 plus 4 times 10 is 40. V equals to, if you add 44 plus 40, you have 84 meter per second. As simple as that. Now you see, like I said before, this is one beauty about physics. Once you're able to get the formula, the question becomes, in fact, getting the formula make you score about 80%. Then inputting the values in the formula is 100%. As easy as that. Thanks for watching and watch out for more problems. I have a whole lot of problems solved that or rather we're going to solve in physics. So I implore you to stick with me. We have a lot of things to do in physics. Thanks for watching and watch out for more problem solutions. Bye.